So you must remind your friend all the time. So let me share with you something. Today I want to share with you the fastest way to be rich and successful. To be what?
Rich and successful.
A lot of people want to be rich and successful, but some of them they are not sure macam mana nak jadi rich and successful. Dan dia tak tahu bagaimana cara dia. So today I say it's so easy to be rich and successful.
It's so easy to be rich and successful.
Some of you betul ke easy? Cakap saja. So today I want to share you the fastest way, not the slowest way. You want to become the fastest way or the slowest way? Yeah, the fastest way to be rich and successful. So also you are going to learn something how to achieve your dream. Just now you talk about your dream income, right?
Yes.
Siapa ada dream house? What's your dream house?
Bungalow.
Ini jadi macam ni lah. Itu boleh ya. So your dream house, your dream car perhaps. What's your dream car? You have your dream car, right?
Yes.
So whatever dream that you have, you can achieve it in the
Fastest way.
how? Join us tonight full time. Some of you full time. So later I'm going to share with you how you can join us. So the fastest way to earn 5 to 6 digits income in a month. A lot of people are earning income like 4,000, 5,000, some of you, even some of you maybe 6,000. So today I want to share with you how you can earn minimum 5 digit. 5 digit berapa? Yeah, 10,000 in a month. 10,000 or even 6 digit. 6 digit berapa?
100,000.
100,000 in a month. Siapa nak achieve 100,000 in a month? Wah, ramai. How?
Saya nak pilih.
Thank you. That one you know. Others belum tahu. So and also the fastest way to be an entrepreneur. A lot of people they say they want to become entrepreneur, tapi tak tahu cara nak jadi entrepreneur. They become entrepreneur at the end like, okay lah jadi entrepreneur, earning income 4,000, 5,000. That is not entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is like earning 5 digit or even 6 digit. That's called entrepreneur. So you want to become entrepreneur?
Yes.
You want to become entrepreneur with 5 to 6 digit income?
Yes.
Join us full time today. Wow. So, and the last one is the fastest way to be a financial freedom. A lot of people they go to shopping mall. Whenever they want to buy things, they tengok dulu harga. Cannot afford. Not nice lah, not nice. I know. Actually bukan not nice, cannot afford. Betul tak? So you want to become financial freedom, wherever you go, you can buy anything that you want. You want to buy anything that you want, no need to sit tag kan. Otherwise, kena tengok dulu. Actually not nice, tak sesuai. Actually sesuai, tapi dia rasa tak sesuai sebab apa? Dia tak ada financial freedom. So today, let me share where we are from. We are from CIMB Principal. Who is this? Kenal tak? Kenal kan? Dia tak kenal you all lah. So CIMB Group Chairman Dato' Sri Nazir Razak. So this is our chairman. So this is where we are from. Basically, we are from CIMB Principal. We are doing what? We are doing well accumulation. We accumulate customers well. And also we collaborate together with AIA Public Takaful under wealth protection. And also Asalihin Trustee Berhad under wealth preservation. So in short, what we are doing, we are the only financial services company in Malaysia which offer 3 dalam 1. So this is about the agency or even about myself. We are from Mona Lisa Private Wealth Advisors. This is our group name or our agency name, formed by me myself for the past 11 years. So this is some of the article about myself. Last year, I've been awarded as a world-class performer in United States. They give awarded to me under top of the table. What award is that? So whatever that you are learning today is actually from the world-class services, world-class idea. You want to get the world-class idea? So tonight is the world-class idea you're going to get from us. So this is about the car, you can see downstairs. So the whole idea why I'm showing you this is actually whatever I'm achieving is from this business. Daripada business ni, I dapat all these things. house, the car, the award, everything. Okay, so come back to CRV. This is some of the award that we won. Last year, 2014, berapa award kita menang? Kita menang over 80 award. Banyak sangat award. This is some of the award. Some of the award. We won the best Islamic bank. We are the best bank in Asia Pacific. We won the best CEO award. Our CEO from Munira, best overall services in Malaysia. So many awards that we won. 80 award, and ini salah sedikit daripada award. Tak sampai separuh pun. Wah, so banyak award. So what I'm going to say is, you are joining the right place, right group. Do you think so?
Yes.
Yes, you are joining the right group actually. So I discovered financial business is the best business in the world. Financial business is the best business in the world. So I just want to share with you some of the with this business you can achieve your dream car in the fastest way. So this is some of our group who achieve the dream car in the fastest way. Do you want your face to be?
Yes.
You want to be your face will be somewhere there. Show which car your dream. Ada tak? Your dream car ada tak? Show ada? Ada yang tak ada dream car ada tak? Maybe behind or somewhere. So waiting for you to put. And even your dream, your dream. Your bungalow is here. So dream house, dream income. Sorry. Okay. So let me tell you about the income that you can earn in this business. What's your income that you can earn? So in this business, you can earn two ways of income. One is from unit trust. One is from insurance. So are you ready to see how many level of income you can earn? Berapa level you can earn? So first thing is from unit trust. Can you see how many income? First thing is what? Basic commission. Number 2, year-end bonus. Number 3, trailer commission. Number 4, number 5, leadership. Number 6, let's say we just take number 1, which is basic commission. So how it works is this, very simple. The moment you close a customer, let's say, berapa customer akan invest normally? Tell me some figure. Okay. You jumpa customer invest dengan you. Okay. So example, we take 100,000. Normal 100,000 sikit. So kalau you close cash customer, you akan dapat 3%. Berapa? So let's say you close 100,000. Okay, 100,000, you times with 3%. How much your commission? So you're gonna get berapa? 3,000 income in one case. We have our group is like last month. They are closing like 5 million in one case. 5 million in one single check. There's some of them closing like 1 million. And a lot of them closing like 500,000, 100,000 easily. So this is from interest alone. From insurance, wah, lagi 9. So total berapa income you gonna get? Wah, 15 income. So how much? How many level of income that you are getting at the moment? Berapa income you are getting? Salary, lagi basic salary, lagi apa you getting? Overtime, okay, overtime lagi. Bonus, yes, lagi. Tu je kan? 3 saja. So here you can get minimum of 15 level of income. Everyone say wow, say wow. Wow. Why? Because you are going to get 15 level of income by joining us tonight full time. Why I say full time? Because all of this is yours. We are waiting to give you all of this. But that's the reason you need to join us full time to earn all this 15 level of income. Are you excited about that? So let me share with you the level of how to grow your business. So the moment you join us, you are wealth advisors. You are what?
Wealth advisors.
Wealth advisors. So how to move on? It's very easy. Once you achieve 500,000 personal sales, berapa? 500,000 saja. What will happen? You akan move to what we call as agency supervisor. Can you see that? Berapa banyak? 500,000 saja. Dia jadi agency supervisor. So from agency supervisor, you have a group. Okay, you can have a group. So once you achieve 8 million total group sale, so now it's a group sale. Previously it's a personal sale, now it's a group sale. 8 million plus 2 orang agency supervisor and 8 wealth advisors, you will be promoted to agency manager. Wow. Who want to become agency manager? The moment you want to join, you have to grow your business. This is how you can expand grow your business. So kalau you buat as a group, once you achieve 27 million total group sale, 4 agency supervisor and 12 wealth advisors, you akan jadi a real entrepreneur, or we call as group agency manager, which is where I am today. My brother Mahathir is a group agency manager as well. So it takes you like roughly around 2 years. How long? 2 years. Can you wait for 2 years to become a real entrepreneur, to become a real boss of yourself? It's so easy to sell. This is what I discovered. A lot of people say, boleh ke lagi join this business? Ada lagi ke orang nak invest ni? Betul ke? Ada. So let me share with you where you can get the money. Huge market opportunity. First thing I just share with you, there is like 360 billion money in EPF. Berapa contributor EPF? Lebih kurang 13 juta contributor. And as of now, the ratio say only like 1.5 million contributor invested with unit trust. Can you see the opportunity now? There is a huge, big opportunity. It's like more than 10 million orang yang ada EPF tak pernah invest. Do you think this only opportunity available? No, we have more. We have like 423 billion in what? In fixed deposit. Fixed deposit, berapa commission they are getting? Berapa commission customer getting? The interest, the return, 3%. Kita ambil 4%, the max. We can give you more. Our fund is Islamic Barakah return, Sharia compliance. Most of the FD non-Islamic even. Can you see that? And we even have a guaranteed saving plan over there. The moment customer put 100,000, we can show you how to become 200,000. From 100,000 become 200,000. And everything is under the bank. And also, wah, ada lagi. Saving account. Berapa saving account? 87 billion. Jadi I share the normal thing. Apa lagi? ESP berapa billion? Tabung haji berapa billion? Oh, huge, banyak. That's why we can't tak cukup tangan nak jumpa orang. That's why we want you to join us full time to meet these people. They are waiting. Can you see that now people are waiting? Baru nampak kan? Oh, no wonder. So banyak sangat opportunity available out there. Okay, so 3 reasons why you should join us full time. 3 benda kenapa anda perlu join us full time. So number 1, we have the best training system to guide you. The moment you join us, we have a training system. Example, you join us, apa you perlu buat tomorrow? We have activities for you. Example, we have a crazy call activity. The moment you come, we have office downstairs. You realize the office kat bawah? So you can come here and make call. Oh, easy kan? Make call. Once you have to have the script, we give you the script. Tak ada contact untuk call, we even give you contacts. Hello, we give you everything. Some of the agent come, oh, you are not spoon feed anymore, you are like breastfeed, you know. Everything you give. Everything we give you. Apa lagi you nak? Number 2 is a proven way of selling step using the unique sales kit. This is what I feel. A lot of people meet a customer, others agency, others company, jumpa orang, they talk and talk and talk until the tongue touch the floor, still cannot close. So that's where we create a sales kit for you. You jumpa customer, you show, and then you flip and flip and flip, close the case. Everyone put your hand like this. Flip, 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 close. Dia nak roti canai, hello. Apa you buat roti canai kan? Joking kan? And number 3, the best and highest income plan. What I mean by highest, because it's unlimited. Berapa you nak, that's what you can claim. That's called the highest kan. Compared to others company or others place, 3% is the highest so far for your information. Okay, so first test, let me test whether you can join us as a full-time, as a successful person ataupun So the first test, are you ready for the first test? So let me show you the first test. You must have at least 2 characters of this. Kalau tak ada 2 character, challenge untuk berjaya. First character you must have is this. You must have the spirit of want to be an achiever, and also you must be hardworking.
Yes.
A lot of people join, sorry to say, kalau tak hard work, you cannot become successful. Ini first character we want you to be. Second character we want you to be is you must believe that you deserve more than you getting now. Example, kalau you getting 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, maybe some of you rasa you believe can achieve more. You earning 4,000, you rasa macam actually aku boleh dapat lebih. Aku kerja sungguh-sungguh, aku semangat berlebih, kenapa aku dapat 4 saja? So kalau you believe that you deserve to get more, then you can join us. Okay, let's see number 3. Number 3, yang ni sangat penting. I really want you to have this kalau want to join. You must be teachable and willing to learn. Why? Because some of you are from different background, betul? Some of you, tell me some of your big background. What's your background? You're doing, are you in a selling background? Not really. Not really kan? Some of you tak ada background of selling pun. You tak ada background of communication pun. Selalu depan komputer saja. Selalu jumpa customer how to talk. So that's why you must willing to learn. Kalau you're willing to learn, we have everything here. We have the best training to give to you. But the thing is, you are willing to learn lah. Kalau you're not willing to learn, alah, tak tahulah. Sedangkan you tak tahu, you are different background. Can you see that? And number 4, we want you to have the entrepreneur spirit. The moment you join in 2 years, 3 years, I want you to have a vision. I want you to have a mission. The moment you join us full time to change your life, you must become an entrepreneur spirit. And the last one is this: sincere to succeed in the professional business. Be a wealth advisor in a bank. Dalam bank, the moment you join us, you'll get a name card. The moment you're satisfied, you're going to put a name card. On the card tu ada CIMB. So you are banker from CIMB. You are not like scheme mana-mana. You are card or ada CIMB. You are authorized wealth advisors under CIMB. It's not a small name, it's a big name now. Interesting character you have. So let me share with you those who make a decision to succeed. They have at least 2 qualities. At least, the moment they join, they have 2 qualities initially, and with proper training and coaching, now they have all 5 qualities. Maybe some of you join, you ada 2 quality ataupun 3 quality. But the moment you join us with the coaching and training we have, all of you have 5 qualities in future. So this is some of the people who achieved it before. So, do you love holiday tak? Siapa suka holiday? Siapa suka free holiday? Ini suka. Mula-mula sebab apa holiday susah? Nak kena pergi Asia, nak tengok, lepas tu baggage pun kena nak berapa? 20 kilo ke 30 kilo? Tak pergi mana? Hotel budget. Sorry to say kan, that's what a lot of people are doing. But here in CIMB, you get a free holiday, all 5 star. Everything 5 star. Tempat makan, tempat hotel, everything 5 star. So this is some of the places that we went before. Wow, we played snow in Turkey. Because Turkey is my first trip. I went there 10 years ago. I stayed in the hotel. Seriously, I entered the bathroom, all made by gold plated and silver plated. is so nice in Turkey. They went to Vietnam, China, Japan, Spain. Wow, so many places that we went recently. So next year, where are we going next year? Next year, all of you can go to Bangkok for new team. Very easy. You know how to achieve this? 500,000. Oh, you put bilang kan sikit sangat. 500,000 can go. It's so easy. Yeah, very easy. 500,000 can go to Bangkok. And then the bigger one, we want to bring you to New York in 2016. How to achieve it? Very easy. You just need to achieve 2 million in a year. In a year, boleh juga. In a year, you can go to New York. So, who want to follow me to New York next year? We want to bring you. Join us. It's a free holiday every day. Okay, so how to join us? Are you ready to join us or not? How to join us? We have a program. It's a package to share with you. It's a program, very interesting program, which we call as a Rainbow Genie program. You can see my car right just now. You want to join a program we call as a Rainbow Genie program. Hello. Rainbow Genie program. How to become a millionaire in the fastest way, not the slowest way, but the fastest way. So, okay. So this is what the program that I want to share with you. So we call as a Rainbow Genie Millionaire Seminar. We call as a, what's the name? Rainbow Genie Millionaire Seminar. So this is conducted by me, myself, and also my partner, my mentor, Dr. Lawrence. Dr. Lawrence is here. So both of us is conducting the training on 29th, 30th and 31st May. So Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So for those who are still working, it's okay. Friday kita akan start pukul 6. So after your working hours right now, pukul 6 until 10 o'clock. Saturday full day, 9 AM to 10 PM, and then Sunday 9 AM to 5 PM as well. So where's the venue? We're going to have over here, dekat sini. So this is a 3 days course. So the fee is actually 4,800 ringgit. So are you ready to join with 4,800 ringgit? Special price is 3,800. But today we're going to give you 2,800 ringgit only. 2,800 for 3 days. So this is how you can do. The course is actually all based on my book. My book, Cara Terpantas Menjadi Jutawan. So everything in the book, 11 chapter, will be discovered in the 3 days seminar. 3 hari seminar ni will discover all the 3 days course through the book. So the moment you join us tonight, is that we're going to give you a special price 2,800. You pay today, we give you a discount of 200 ringgit. You pay deposit, discount another 200 ringgit based on here. Okay, so perhaps maybe since this course was conducted by me and also Dr. Lawrence, so Dr. Lawrence would like to come here and share with you about how to join us. By the way, Dr. Lawrence is my neighbor. The moment you come in, can you see one Ferrari, one Lamborghini? That's actually Dr. Lawrence's house. We are neighbor, and he's my mentor for the past 11 years. So he helped me, he bring me to a success, and today he's here to share with you how you too can be rich and successful in the cara terpantas, fastest, not the slowest.